When you search for trail running shoes for women, everything looks the same. Same rugged soles, same grippy claims, same outdoor vibes. But once you actually hit the dirt, the real differences show up fast. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you which ones actually deliver.
Product number 1, Atra Lone Peak 9. Let's start with the Ultra Women's Lone Peak 9. This shoe has a cult following among serious trail runners, and it's easy to see why. Priced at $105.50, it sits in the mid to high range, but it's built for performance. The first thing you'll notice is the wide toe box. Ultra calls it a foot-shaped design, which means your toes can actually splay naturally, reducing blisters on long runs. If you want comfort and stability on technical terrain, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The highly cushioned Ultra Ego midsole absorbs impact on rocky descents, while the DuraTread outsole with trail claw lugs bites into mud, roots, and loose gravel. That multi-directional lug pattern isn't just for show, it gives you confidence on uneven trails, especially during fast downhill sections. Over 100 people bought this in the past month, and seasoned runners swear by its durability and grip. Now, some people complained about the lack of arch support, especially if you have high arches. Here's the thing though, if you're used to minimalist shoes or prefer a natural feel, this won't be an issue. But if you need structured support straight out of the box, you might need custom insoles. This is perfect for you if you run long distances on rugged trails and want zero heel drop for a more natural stride. Skip this one if you prefer a snug, narrow fit or need maximum arch support. For the price, it's a solid investment in performance and foot health.
Product number 2, Adidas Women's Run Falcon 5. If the Lone Peak 9 felt too niche or expensive, the Adidas Women's Run Falcon 5 trail running shoes offer a more budget-friendly entry at just $72. These come in a bold carbon ice purple black colorway and weigh only 9.2 ounces, light enough for fast-paced trail efforts. If you want a lightweight, everyday trail shoe that won't break the bank, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The water-repellent mesh upper keeps your feet dry in light rain or morning dew, and the reflective details help with visibility if you're running at dawn or dusk. The cloud foam midsole gives that instant step-in comfort, great for shorter runs or mixed terrain. Plus, the Adiwear outsole holds up well on rocky paths, giving you solid durability without the weight. Now, some people found the cushioning too soft for long distances, saying it bottoms out after a few miles. Here's the thing though. If you're doing 3 to 5 mile trail loops or mixing road and trail, it's perfectly fine. But if you're training for a 50K, you might want something with more rebound. This is perfect for you if you're new to trail running or want a versatile shoe for light trails and casual wear. Skip this one if you need aggressive grip or plan on tackling technical mountain terrain. At this price, it's a great value for casual use.
Product number 3, Merrell Antora 4, was a solid budget option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for all-around trail performance. The Merrell Women's Antora 4 at $110. This shoe blends hiking durability with running agility, making it ideal for runners who like to explore rugged backcountry trails. The ice blue color looks sharp, but it's what's underneath that counts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Quantum Grip outsole is one of the stickiest rubber compounds out there. Think hiking boot traction in a running shoe. Whether you're crossing wet rocks or climbing loose scree, your feet stay planted. The Float Pro foam footbed and midsole combo delivers responsive cushioning that doesn't feel mushy. And the Flex Connect grooves let the shoe bend naturally with your foot. Now, some people said the upper isn't as breathable in hot weather, leading to sweaty feet on summer runs. Here's the thing though, if you're running in cooler climates or shoulder seasons, this isn't a problem. But if you live somewhere hot and humid, you might feel the heat build up. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, grippy shoe for technical trails and don't mind a slightly heavier build. Skip this one if you prioritize ultra lightweight speed or run mostly in summer heat. It's a bit pricier, but the grip and durability justify it for serious trail lovers.
Product number 4, Adidas T-Rex AX4. If the Antora 4 felt too running focused, the Adidas Women's T-Rex AX4 hiking sneakers take a different approach, leaning more into hiking with running-friendly features. At $68.66, it's one of the most affordable on this list, and it's built for day hikes and light trail runs. The gray silver dawn color is subtle and stylish, but don't let the looks fool you. This shoe is tough. Here's why this matters for you specifically.
The mesh upper with synthetic overlays and gusseted tongue keeps debris out while maintaining flexibility. It's abrasion resistant, so it won't tear up on sharp rocks or brush. While it's not as cushioned as a pure running shoe, it offers enough comfort for 5 to 10 mile adventures, especially if you're moving at a moderate pace. Now, some people complained about the lack of cushioning on long runs, saying their feet got tired after a few hours. Here's the thing though, if you're using these for hiking or short trail jogs, they're fine, but if you're logging serious mileage, you'll want more midsole support. This is perfect for you if you want a hybrid shoe for hiking and light trail running without spending a lot. Skip this one if you need high-performance cushioning or plan on running fast descents. For casual adventures, it's a smart, budget-friendly pick.
Product number 5. New Balance Dynasoft Nitrile V6. At $74, the New Balance Women's Dynasoft Nitrile V6 brings a smooth, responsive ride to the trail. With a linen white peach colorway, it looks clean and modern, but the tech underneath is what stands out. The Dynasoft midsole blends soft cushioning with a springy feel, great for runners who want comfort without sacrificing energy return. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The AT Tread outsole gives reliable grip on both dirt paths and paved sections, making it ideal for runners who mix trail and road. The no-sew overlays reduce hot spots, and the EVA foam insert adds extra comfort underfoot. At just 6mm drop, it encourages a midfoot strike without feeling too flat. Now, some people noted it's not water resistant, so wet trails can soak through quickly. Here's the thing though, if you're running in dry conditions or avoiding puddles, it's not a big deal. But if you frequently run in rain or marshy areas, you'll want something more protective. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile, comfortable trail shoe for mixed terrain and moderate distances. Skip this one if you need waterproofing or aggressive off-road grip. For the price, it's a well-rounded option with solid New Balance quality.
So which one's right for you? The Altra Lone Peak 9 for natural fit and grip, the Adidas Run Falcon 5 for lightweight value, the Merrell Antora 4 for rugged traction, the Terex AX4 for hiking versatility, or the New Balance Nitrile V6 for smooth, responsive comfort. Each has strengths and one flaw, so pick based on your terrain and priorities.